Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to invite your team to Monday.com. So if you want to invite your team to work with you on Monday.com on a project, you just need to follow the steps mentioned in this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com, and once when you log in into your account, you will be redirected to the home page. Now here you can see that I am working alone and I don't have any team member that are working with me. So how can I invite them? I can go down and here I can see there's an option to invite my teammates and start collaborating. I can either reject this offer or I can just click on invite and I'll be able to invite them. I can also invite them by clicking here on this plus icon, or I can also invite people if I go here into my profile, and then if I go here on Teams and then I start inviting them. I've already sent an invitation to one of the members, but if I need to invite more people, I need to click here. So there are uh, various ways that you can invite your teammates from. So this is the first way, that you write their email and a confirmation email will be sent to them and they just need to accept it and they will be invited to work with you on your board. Or the other way is that if you have a paid version of Monday.com, you'll have a third option here, and that option is a shareable link, a link that you can share, and once when they click on the link, they will be automatically redirected here to Monday.com on your homepage right here, and they will be able to work with you on your board. However, you can assign roles to them by going in the Teams option I just told you from right here. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.